Good evening, everyone. This is the brief business opportunity by the True Organics Juice. So, how to become a member? You must obtain a link from the person who introduced you to the business opportunity. You get a link from the person who told you about the business presentation. You register your account and then you become a member. So after becoming a member, now you have to activate your account to show that you are serious about this opportunity. You need to activate your account. Remember, joining is free. You don't pay anything for registering. For becoming a member, you don't pay anything. Now, you only buy stock for you to activate your membership, for you to unlock the benefits of the company. Now you have to activate your account. How do I activate my account? You need to buy a minimum stock of 600 Rand or more. It's up to you, but the company requires only the minimum of 600 Rand for them to recognize you as their member. So we have a variety of packages where you can choose from. You can choose from buying chlorophyll juice, chlorophyll drops, beauty products. You can choose. Choice is yours. Like we have many packages. We have like 24 bottles of chlorophyll juice. We have 12 bottles of drops. We have beauty products, which is tissue oil. We have soap. We have a combo of soap and tissue oil, which is 6 each. So, and then it's up to you to what do you want to buy from the company, and then you will automatically be active. And your link, now you can share the link to the people. Now you can link people to the company. You can register. Now you can build your team if your membership is active. Now you bought your first stock, which means you have also unlocked your link. Now you can register people under you. Now let's go to the compensation plan. Now that you know how to join, you know what to do for you to be active and to be recognized by the company that you are one of their franchise. Now, how do I make money in True Organics? So we have retail profits. We make money by buying the products from the company and then selling them to people. Retail profits. By selling, we make more than 150%. And then we also have commissions. Commissions is the money you get when you refer people to the company, and then the company pays you for referring people, which in this case is 10%, 3 levels deep, level 1, level 2, level 3. It's 10% per each level and per each purchase. So if you have 10 people buying their minimum stock, you get 10% times 10 for your level 1. If level 2 has 20 people, you get 10% times 20 people until level 3. And then we also have a repurchase. If those people activated their accounts and then they come back and buy again, maybe they sold all the stock and then they choose to come back, you will also get 10% again from the repurchases. They activated their accounts, they sold the stock, then they come back and buy again. That's a repurchase. The company pays you again 10%, 3 levels deep. And then we also have a once-off level completion bonus. When you complete a level, when you're being promoted to the next stage, you get a bonus. You got your commission, you get a bonus on top of your commission. And then we also have incentives. Our compensation plan has incentives, car incentives, tuition fees, house, traveling incentives, and we also have promotions. That's our marketing plan. So the next question will be, and now, how do I obtain all these benefits, like these incentives, these bonuses? How do I get them? Now we have like 7 We have 7 stages, levels in True Organics. We have the first one, which is progress zone. So what is needed for me to qualify for or to be named program zone? You need to be active. You need to buy a minimum stock of 600 Rand, that is 100 PVs. And then you also need to have 2 people under you which are active with a minimum of 100 PVs each. Okay, and then a total of 1000 PVs is required from you as a team. Then you will get 500 Rand as a bonus. And then you will be promoted to the Dream Achiever Zone stage. When you get to Dream Achiever Zone stage, you bend down, you look down to your downlines, you help them, you teach them what you did. They must duplicate what you did. So you remember, you activated your account, you help 2 people to activate their accounts, and then you as a team made 1000 PVs. Same thing applies here. You must be active with 100 points, of course, and then you must have at least 5 people which are active, which bought stock or who activated with a minimum of 600 Rand. Ne? Out of those 5 people, you need at least 2 of them to be progress zone, which means they must each have 1000 points, and then they must also obtain their 500 Rand bonus. That makes you a dream the Dream Achiever Zone. So after that, company pays you a bonus of 2000 Rand for Dream Achiever, and then you are promoted to Goal Getter. In Goal Getter, same thing applies. You bend down, you pull your downlines, you help them, you show them how you did it. You show them how you got to Dream Achiever. When they come to Dream Achiever, which means you have done the job that the company required you to do. You have done the task. You have helped your people to obtain their Dream Achiever. Okay, for Goal Getter, you need to have at least 10 people which are active, people who bought a stock minimum 600 Rand, and then you must also be active, which means you must also buy stock with a minimum of 600 Rand or more. And then you also need 2 people to complete Dream Achiever stage or to reach Dream Achiever stage. You also need 12,000 PVs in total as a team. You will get 5,000 Rand bonus on top of your commission, and then you'll be promoted to Success Zone. In Success Zone, you need to be active again with 100 PVs, of course, and then you must have at least 15 active people. They must be direct under you. They must be active, which means they bought a minimum stock of 600 Rand each, and then you must also have 3 Goal Getter Zone people. And I remember I said you bend down, you teach them to duplicate, to copy what you did. So which means you need to assist or to help 3 people to get to Goal Getter Zone, and then have total of 25,000 PVs as a team, and then you will get a 10,000 Rand once of bonus. And then you move to Achievement Zone. In Achievement Zone, you need to activate your account, of course, with a 600 Rand minimum, and then you need to have 20 direct members which are active. They must be active. 20 active members who bought stock with a minimum of 600 Rand, and then out of those people, at least 3 of them, they must reach Success Zone, and then have a total of 65,000 point volumes as a team. Then you will get 20,000 Rand as a bonus. It's a once-off bonus. Then you move to Milestone. In Milestone, you will need to be active. Always you must be active with a minimum at least of 100 points. You must have 25 directly sponsored people that are registered by you, 25 active which means they also bought stock with a minimum of 600 rand. Out of those 25 people, at least 3 of them must be success zone, and then 2 of them, they must be achievement zone, and have a total of 180,000 as a team, point volumes as a team, and then you will get 50,000 rand bonus once off. And then we move to the last stage of the compensation plan, which is a president zone. For president zone, you must be active with a minimum of 100 PVs, which means you must buy stock with a minimum of 600 rand or more. You must have 30 people. You must have 30 active people, which means they must also buy stock with a minimum of 600 rand, which is equivalent to 100 PVs. And then out of 30, you need 5 direct achievement zone members. You also need 2 milestone. They must be direct under you. Here, you need 5 achievement zone members, and then 2 must be milestone, and then you must have a total of 400,000 point volumes as a team, and then you will get a whooping once of 100,000 bonus. Guys, let me tell you something. If you see a bonus says 100,000, it means you are already making maybe 1 million in commissions. Always commissions are huge. They are huge. Commissions are huge always. And then it doesn't end there. Then we move to the incentives. Well, for incentives, you need to qualify. You need to work. You need to work hard and then qualify for the incentives. Otherwise, I will share with the incentives when the time goes on.
Sanibonani, i-True Organics chlorophyll juice isiza abantu abanezikhumba ezimbi ezomile like eczema, abantu abanezinduna, iklina ingaphakathi lakho. Iklina nje ingaphakathi kwakho iya detoxa ebese usala unesikhumba nawe esikliye. Isiza OBP noshukela bangalokhu behla benyuka, bahlale nje endaweni eright. Isiza izilonda ezingaphandle nezingaphakathi ezibizwa ngokuthi ama-ulcer nezingaphandle ziyashesha guys ukuthi sivele some isilonda. Isiza ama-piles, isiza ama-body odor, ukunuka kabe emzimbeni, be it uyajuluka kakhulu ebese kuba nephunga elifani even emlomeni uthothi uxubhile kodwa usala nje unephunga ongalizwa kahle, iyasiza lapho. Isiza ama-infection or bladder infection, usale guys uclean, even ama-discharge awulokhu uphuma ama-discharge ongawaqondi, ingubo yakho yangaphansi umuntu wesifazane isala iclean ngisho uqeda ukuyikhumula. Isize kwi-sperm count kubantu besilisa, nomuzi nje uvuke iqine kahle kube right ekhaya kujatshulwe. Isiza into eziningi bakwethu inje enye mhlambe abantu abaphathwa ikhanda, bona abantu abahlezi bephethwe o-migraine, iyabasiza kakhulu. Umuntu ohleze ekhathele, uthola ukuthi nje wena you are always tired, noma kuthiwa usanda kuvuka uzizwa nje ufatigue, iyasiza lapho. Isiza abantu abashodelwa igazi emzimbeni. Amaningi ama-condition ewasizayo le juice, maningi kakhulu. So akuwona kuphela lawe ngiwabalile, nawe whatever condition onayo, and yinhle ngokuthi ayixabani na medication, yona i-supplement, therefore ayixabani ne-medication. Noma yiphi medication, noma ngabe udla yiphi inhlobo ye-medication, ayixabani nayo, yona i-supplement, ayiyona yona i-medication. So guys, udinga mangakho ukuze ubone umehluko. Amagazi ethu awafani. You can take for as long as you need because it's a supplement guys. Uyakwazi ukuyithatha ekseni on an empty stomach ungakadli, uthele nje ikota yenkomishi uphinde uthathe ntambama before ulale. Iyasiza le juice, iyasiza. Ama-testimony amaningi avela la, amaningi ama-testimony athi umuntu bengingasayi kahle endlini encane, ngingasakwazi ukuyoshawa number 2, i-constipation iyalekelela kakhulu. Ebusuku ulala kahle, ungaqwashi, ungaloku kuba no insomnia. I can go on and on ngale juice. Kuningi kakhulu esisiza kubona. So abakabi baningi kakhulu abantu abayidayisayo and i-affordable, abantu bayayi-afford. Ingakho ngithi u-True Organics ufike nje wazoba i-game changer kuma-network marketing because the moment wena ungena ujoyina uthenga istock sakho, minimum stock u600 rand, amajuice awu24. The moment ungena uthenga leso stock sakho, uyaqala umuntu ongena ngaphansi kwakho uyakwazi ukuthi uthole u10% nama-point 100 points nongena ngaphansi kwakhe nongena ngaphansi kwakhe. So uyakwazi ukuthi uthole 3 levels deep immediately without ranking up. Akufani namanye ama-network market ekuthiwa uzokwazi ukuthi uholele abantu abangene ngaphansi komuntu wakho mangabe sowurichile itarget ukuthi la immediately ongene ngaphansi kwakho, ongene ngaphansi kwakhe, ongene ngaphansi kwakhe. So 3 generations guys. Utrue Organics usenzela iqiniso, kulula ukuranka up, iproduct yabo iyasebenza, inama testimonies amaningi esiwatholayo. Abantu asho umuntu athi bengingasayi kokwenza number 2 kahle, athi omunye bengiqwasha, athi omunye abantu nje abane acne, yabo abantu abanezikhumba ezibi, akhona ama testimony esengwathola. And ngiyawajabulela guys ukuthi umuntu mengabe eseyisebenzisile asho ukuthi imsize la nala. Kuyasijabulisa ukusibona ukuthi sidayisa iproduct esiza abantu baye afford iyabasiza. So ama products amaningi kuyayithiwa ayasiza, uyayithola ukuthi abantu abawa afford. So guys, uyafuna wena ukuthi kushaw December sowunemali oyenzile ngokudayisa la, iprofit yakhona 100% profit, uyakwazi ukuthi uthole u10% we store whatever the person ongene ngaphansi kwakho ayithengayo. If maybe ethenga ngo600, that 10% will be 60 rand. Now ungawuthathi ke kancane u60 rand ngoba basuke bebaningi abantu abazongena ngaphansi kwakho babona ukuthi hayibona nathi sifuna ukuzenzela imali bajoyine. Mengaba ama point akho ese-reacha like 1000 points uyaranka up. Ukuranka up is very easy ngoba kubalwa 3 generations deep ama points. Every time they are buying wena uthola ama points, so kulula ukuranka up, akuyona nje into enzima. So wena uyafuna ukuthi ungene udayise guys, don't sleep on this juice, do not sleep on kule juice. Go to ukuyidayisa, ukuyisebenzisa iyasiza. Ama pain wena nje uhlezi uzwe inhlungu emzimbeni wakho, uvuvukalelwe izinyawo, hayibo guys, iyaze yasiza nansi ijuice. Asi exaggerate, asinali haba. Sikhulumena ke nje, ngikhuluma ngento engizibone kumina. Isilonda within a week Sasha soma, and bengihlibukile ngempela kakhulu. Soma nka Sasha isilonda. Guys, nezingane from the age of 3 iyakwazi ukuthi iphuze ingane le juice, uyithelele ikota ekseni, uyithelele ikota ntambama. Thank you so much.
Abanye abantu besifazane kuyenzeka nkosami uthola umuntu unephunga angalazi ukuthi ngempela liqhamukaphi. Omunye uthi enephunga uthola ukuthi ngoba unopartner abaningi yabo. Omunye uthola ukuthi iphunga lakhe lihamba ne-discharge ethile nje esishintshe ngisho umbala. Thothi lezi inkinga zangaphansi yabo umuntu besifazane kuba kuningi. So nali ibhodlela bafethu ngicela ukuthi ngikunikeze lona. Nali ibhodlela bangenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe usukwazama okunye bangakusebenzela, kodwa mungakazami libhodlela kwakakuzami konke. Okakazama kokunali ibhodlela mbona ukuthi ngeke azakusizeni entweni yephunga nama discharge na yonke into. Akasizi umuntu esifazane kuphela, nowesilisa uyakwazi usasizakala. Nawe inkinga nosuku unazo, mhlawumbe ngenze siyiphunga lomlomo, kungenzeka ukuthi mhlawumbe acne ngoba induna ezanombani, kuningi esikwazi ukusizakala kukona laba fethu. Lithiwa ke leli bhodlela uzifo zonke mabe sebemteketisa uzifo zonke ngoba usiza omncane omdala owesilisa owesifazane, akekho umuntu wasizana ngoba lena a natural detox, ikhuculula ngaphakathi nje kuwena. Awuma acid yabona acid nje mnikeze lo acid lo kuphethe lokugulisa, mnikeze nje lo ubone usambe kahle kahle uzoyenzakalana. Bafethu bengabe umdinga sina udayisa uma fethu lana senza more than 100% profit ngabe sidayisa. Nakho futhi ungitshela ukuthi ufuna uqala nawe udayise, udinga nje only 600 ukuthi uzoqala uthole istock sakho samajuice awu24 azokwenzela 1440, u600 wokuthenga ufuna u840 uyiprofit yakho. So uma ngabe ukuthi wena khona une interest ngakho kukona, it's either uyozithengela for personal use or ufuna ukuthi udayise nawe uzobusuyangitshela ukuthi inamba nje wena lana ke ngifuna nje ukuchaza ukuthi kahle kahle la siyiphuza kanjani. Siyiphuza kanjani le juice le liquid chlorophyll juice? Indlela esiphuza ngayo uthatha nje 125 ml or ake ngithi nje ikota yeglass noma ikota yenkomishi, uthele uphuze ekseni ungakadli lutho. Sase empty stream umphuze lo, bese ungalandelisa ke ngamanzi, uphuze amanzi. Uphinde futhi ngaphambi kokuthi ulala uphinde futhi ushayine ikota yeglass noma ikota yenkomishi, uphinde futhi ulanise ngamanzi. Bafethu mina ngathi mengiqala ukuyiphuza le juice ngakusasa ithoilet laziwe yimini ekseni ngoba imali lafica nje ekumele mayikhuculule iyayidushela lento ukuthi mayiphume yabo phakathi ukuthi uzochama noma uzoya e-toilet kodwa alikuvimba ukuthi uye emsebenzini noma uye esikoleni uyakwazi ukuthi uthi usemsebenzini ubuyiphuzile mabuthi ukuthi e-toilet uhambe ethi ngaso isikhathi akuyona into ezokuba iqina manje kodwa nje yona uma ike yakufica ukuthi okay kunezinto ekumele ziphume iyazikhipha futhi nawe uyezwa ukuthi hayi cha iyasebenza yabona uyakwazi uqhubeka nomsebenzi wakho wosuku ubuyiphuzile akuyona into ekuvimbayo ukuthi usebenze noma emsebenzini kuthiwa hlala ndawonye cha uyakwazi uqhubeka nayo yonke into oyenza ngosuku kodwa kumele into uwazi ukuthi mayike yafica ukungcola kuwena iyakukhuculula yabona so zitholele kungenzeka ukuthi nawe uya struggling lapho i-acid i-discharge i-acne iyona yonke into oma piles abantu bafethu banama testimony ahlukahlukene abantu ngale juice le ama testimony ahlukahlukene so ungasali asizinakekeleni bafethu detoxa awuthi masudlile khiphe
yeah guys sondelani ngifuna sihlebe sondelani ngidayisele omunye ubaba nawo juice odumo subuya ne-review ke kimi uthi hayibo awungitsheleni ukuthi one of ama-benefits ale juice yakho ukuthi iyasiza eCameroon ngaze ngaba umuntu kulo mama I did not know this ngikuzwa ngaye manje njengoba asho ukuthi hayi le juice le umcimbi mangabe ucalile ngale Cameroon uyalimisa itende juice nawe ngiwudayisayo thiwa nje mangabe umama akasajabuli kahle ngoba umcimbi ukhona itende libabathele yamisa itende liyawa babathi itende liyamisa liyawa thiwa nje now juice now avusiza ukumisa itende mangabe sekunomcimbi angisho ukuthini angisho futhi ukuthi utheke kimi kodwa nje ngiyasho ukuthi mangabe unale nkinga bhuti baba sesi mangabe uyazi ukuthi ubrothers umcimbi uyahappena but itende liyala nje ukumi awumreferela kimi athenga nje 4 awuzame lo 4 awubona ukuthi angeke uze wenza umehluko yini bese abuya kimi azobonga later basho kanjalo you will thank me later athatha nje 4 bese ayabuya ke after iviki azongibonga. Sometimes clients are confused with these two products. Are they different? What's the difference between them? Ayafana yini enza umsebenzi ofanayo yini? Let me explain that for you. These two products are the same. They do the same job. The difference is in how you ingest them. Let's start with the juice. The juice has already been concentrated, meaning you do not have to mix it with water. Straight nje ku juice yakho uthela your quarter cup and you drink 2 times a day. 1 on an empty stomach mawuvuka, the last cup before you go to bed. So awuyihlanganisi namanzi lena, uyiphuza nje inje njengoba inje it's ready to drink, meaning ke manje the bottle will last you only 2 days cause uthela kayi-2 ngelanga ihlale halfini, uthela kayi-2 the following day iyaphela. Kanti ngapha kuma drops, the drops will last you a little over 2 weeks because ama drops you don't drink nje, you uwathela emanzini akho, meaning to your quarter cup of water you're going to put in 10 drops. Uphuze early in the morning as soon as you wake up on an empty stomach, uphuze again before you sleep. So what we always advise our clients ukuthi don't just take this one because this one will not last you. At least wathathe oyi-2 or focus kakhulu kuma drops because ama drops ayalasta kune juice. They do the same job, they do the same task. The only difference is in how you ingest them and their concentration. This one, ready to drink. This one, you must mix with water. Will last you 2 days, will last you just a little over 2 weeks. So guguwe guguthatha kopi. Thank you.